today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PSD or AI into HTML using Figma 2025. We'll walk through a simple way to move a design into Figma, get consistent vector assets, and extract CSS you can apply to your HTML. If your artwork started in Photoshop or Illustrator, make sure you've already brought it into Figma or have the assets you want to work with available. The key idea is to standardize anything you can as SVG so Figma and your browser render it cleanly. Start by opening the Figma website and signing in. Open the file or page that contains your design. Select the part of the design you want to code, then go to the export controls and choose SVG as the format. Before you export, it's a good idea to check options like preserving text or outlining it, depending on whether you want live web fonts or shapes. Keep strokes and fills as vectors whenever possible, and avoid raster effects unless they're absolutely necessary. Once the SVG is exported, locate the downloaded file on your computer and drag it right onto your Figma canvas. You'll see the vector artwork appear as a frame or group. Take a moment to organize it. Name layers clearly, group related elements, and align items to the pixel grid, so spacing and sizes are predictable. This will make the code output easier to understand later. With the design in place, open the Actions menu, choose Plugins, and search for Figment.so. Click it and run the plugin. This tool helps interpret your Figma layers and prepares them for cleaner code generation. If the plugin prompts you for a target frame or selection, choose the frame that contains your imported SVG and any supporting elements. When you're ready to grab styles, right-click the frame and select Copy As, hover over Copy As Code, and choose CSS. Figma will place CSS for the selected frame and its children on your clipboard. Paste that into your editor to review. You'll typically see sizes, positions, colors, fonts, and effects. This CSS is most useful when you already have a basic HTML structure. Map the styles to your classes and IDs and adjust units, variables, and breakpoints to fit your project. If you see a lot of absolute positioning, consider refactoring into flex or grid for responsiveness. If something doesn't look right, make sure you copied the CSS from the correct frame, confirm layers are vectors and not flattened bitmaps, and re-export specific assets as SVG if needed. That's the workflow. Export SVG, bring it into Figma, run the plugin, and copy the CSS you'll use in your HTML.